Last year, 4 people each paid $221 for an insurance package. How much did the people pay in total? So 4 groups paid $221. That's multiplication. So we're going to do 4 times 221. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it out using the standard algorithm, and I'll put the larger number on top. So 221 times 4. You are allowed to do that. Now we multiply 4 to 221 by starting from the right and moving our way to the left. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So the number we end up with is 884. But since this is a word problem, it asks how much did the people pay in total? Well, that's money, so we're going to say $884. And that's our answer.